Hi all, I'm on 17 meters, 18135, and I'm just checking my amp again, and at the moment I've got 8 watts coming from my 847, and it's not too bad at the moment. A little bit windy outside, but nice and sunny. Okay, let's have a look at the amp again. The amp is the BLA 350. Just had it back from repair, and just some of the things I've sorted out on the amp now. I've got no let's say really bad fan noise now, because I've actually turned it off. You can turn it off so it only comes on, if you want, around about 38 degrees. Once the temperature there goes up to 38 degrees, then the fan will automatically come on, and if you go above 38 degrees, then the fan will stay on longer. You can actually do in the menu, do some of the settings, so you can tell it when to actually come on and what speed to have it set on. I've got it set on 5 for the speed, and I've actually put it now so it only actually comes on when it's needed at 38 degrees. Okay, with the ALC, so the first thing you have to set up on the amp, ALC, you got the trimmer at the back, and when you click set, go to your radio and key up 7 watts it says there, so I've got about between 7 and 8 watts going in, so that's okay. And to put it into the memory, just press OK, pressing OK again. Temp Celsius or Fahrenheit, so normal, or it'll actually come preset as it defaults. I'm not using internal Vox because I've got the leads going for the PTT and the ALC from my 847 to the amp to actually run it. SSB delay, I think it's 500 milliseconds set as a default. Fan speed, this is what you need to check. You need to check quiet mode. That's got the asterisk, so it's in quiet mode at the minute. When I actually save it again in a minute, it might actually go onto the fan itself. Right, press the set again. Once you press set, that's your maximum speed, and maximum speed settings 5. So let me come out now. That's writing. Let me just go to the next part of the menu, dimmer. Just leaving it on the dimmer for this, so it looks okay just there. Info, that's just going to tell you what version I've actually got here, which is 110F. On Nevada it's got 109F, so this is a bit later, as I say, just because I've had it returned and I've had the version upgraded, the firmware. Right, out of that, defaults, if anything happens to the amp, reset all the defaults, then just check it again, because your fan will probably be on automatic all the time, so you need to go in and actually change the speed. So then to escape, press set again. Let me just make sure, see if it's not already set up with a speed on high setting. So you go from standby to 1. No, because normally it'll actually come on and start blowing straight away. So it looks like it's still on for the 38 degrees when it will actually come on itself. So we know we've got 7 watts going in, 7 to 8 watts going in, and let's just key up now. It's on average power, so 340, 330, 340, something like that. So not bad at all for the 7 watts going in. If I go on to SSB, let me just change this over and go on to peak. 3-second hold on the peak, and just do a little test. Just turn that down. Just do another test. Test, 0 AOV, Mike 0, Alpha, Oscar Victor testing, test. 493. But don't forget I've got some loss on that because of the coax. So not bad at all for 7 watts going in. Just a quick test. And still 28 degrees on there at the moment. But now everything seems to be working. Only problem I've still got is the meter here, still pushed in at the side here. But sending that back all the way to Nevada just to get it fixed, or RM in Italy, I don't think so. I can live with that at the moment. The amp's working well. Let's just come back onto standby. And I think that's okay now. Still for the power, it's working quite well just with 7 watts. Fully automatic. I put it so it actually does band change and everything automatic. So I can go from anything from 160 to 10 meters straight away, no waiting for a warm-up or anything, and get full legal power at 400 watts. So no problem at all there. Thanks for looking at the video.